Welcome to ServiceNow X Factor, making ServiceNow learning easy. Hello everyone, welcome to ServiceNow X Factor. Today we are going to cover a very important and small topic which I have not seen covered by other videos. Today we will see how we can add options to the workspace. So you can see to navigate to the workspaces, there is a workspace tab where we add the workspace that we require so that we can easily navigate to the workspace dashboard directly from here. So let's proceed. Stay tuned till the end. If you are preparing for any IT certification, visit examhelpdesk.com to help you with your mock test and interview preparation. All the best. So today's task is all about adding option to the workspace tab. So if by default the workspace that you want to display under your workspace tab is not showing, you can use this video and this learning to help you understand how to get it there. The scenario is add service operations workspace option to the workspace tab. So this is the scenario that we will be working on today. Let's proceed. So as you can see, under the workspace, there is no service operations workspace option. In the application navigator, type experience here, search for service operations workspace, this first option. Now we need to make sure that under UX application category M2Ms, here in the experience category, workspace is showing. Once workspace will show here, this particular workspace option will be available under your workspace tab. So to continue with the configuration, we will first have to go to the application service operations workspace core. So now we are in the service operation workspace core, and now we can make the changes that we want. How to make sure that a workspace is shown under experience category in UX application of SOW? Let's go to this underscore UX underscore experience underscore category dot list. This experience categories table, it only has two options, portal and workspace. So from this table, we will try to add the SOW workspace option under the workspace tab. And under the workspace, here you can see there are so many options that already exist under workspace. We will add a new option here. Experience category will be workspace. UX application. Order, you can give any. So now let's go and check service operation workspace record, and you can see under the experience category we can see workspace is showing up. Now let's check our work by going in the workspace tab. So in the workspace tab, refresh. And now you can see service operation workspace is now visible under the Workspace tab. In this way, in your organization, if you need any workspace to display under the Workspace tab and it is not showing up, you can use the learnings from this video to make sure that the Workspace tab displays the workspace that is required by your organization. I hope this video has given you some insight, some learning. Hope to see you in the next video. For exam questions, PDF, email us guruforcertification@gmail.com. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share with your friends, and click on the bell icon to get notified for our next video for easy learning of ServiceNow. Thank you for watching.